Morning students, in this video we will discuss about the graphical solution of simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations are solved by substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. These three methods we have discussed already. Here we have to discuss the graphical method, graphical solution of simultaneous linear equation. How can we solve the simultaneous linear equations graphically? So from exercise 1b, I have taken one question number 4, D part. There are two equations in two variable, 2x plus y is equal to 6, x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. How we will find the value of x and y? How we can solve first and second equation to find the value of x and y graphically? So firstly we will plot the graph of both the equation on the same sheet. I have told you how you can plot the graph of a linear equation in two variable on the graph paper. So we will plot the graph of both the equation, graph of first and second, both the equation will be a straight line. So firstly we will plot the graph of both the equation on the same graph sheet, and we have to find out their point of intersection. The point of intersection will give the solution of these two equations. So I have taken one question here, see how we can do it. So from first equation, we will make y as the subject, means express y in terms of x. So y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now we will make the table for x and y. We have to take three values of x from ourselves and find corresponding three values of y. So if x is equal to 1, what we will get y? 6 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 6 minus 2, 4. X is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. X is equal to 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. X is 1. 2 into 1, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. When we will take x is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. X is 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So in this way we are getting 3 points, 1, 4, 2, 2 and 3, 0. We will plot these 3 points on the graph sheet. So on the graph paper you will draw x-axis line, y-axis line, put the numbers on the positive direction of x-axis, negative direction of x-axis, positive direction of y-axis plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, and the negative direction of y-axis minus 1, minus 2, like that. How we can plot 1, 4? So x is 1. So move 1 unit on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. So this point will be 1, 4. This point is 1, 4. Next is x is 2, y is 2. So on x-axis we have to move 2 unit, y-axis 2 unit. This point is 2, 2. And when x is 3, y is 0. So 1, 2, 3, x is 3, y is 0, second component is 0, it will lie on x-axis at 3 unit. So this point is 3, 0. We have to join these points. So join these 3 points with the help of a scale and write the equation of the line 2x plus y is equal to 6. 2x plus y is equal to 6. So after plotting these 3 points, we will join it with the help of scale and produce it in both the direction. Put arrowhead at both the end points write the equation of the line. Similarly, we will plot the graph of the second equation on the same sheet. So again, from second equation, we will make y as the subject, means we will express y in terms of x. So from second equation, transpose to left side, x plus 2, transpose minus 2 left side, minus 2 right side, 2y right side. So x plus 2 is equal to 2y. So what will be y? Y will be x plus 2 upon 2. So we have expressed y in terms of x. So again make table for x and y. Again we have to take 3 values of x and find corresponding 3 values of y. Take x is 0. If x is 0, 0 plus 2, it will be 2, 2 upon 2. If x is 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 upon 2, 2. X is 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 upon 2, 3. So y will be 3. So we have 3 points, 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3. 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3. So firstly plot the point 0, 1 on the same sheet. 0, 1, x is 0, y is 1. So this point, it is 0, 1. 2, 2 point is already plotted here. 2, 2. And 4, 3, x is 4, y is 3. So this point is 4, 3. Again we will join these 3 points with the help of a scale. Like this. So join these 3 points with the help of a scale, produce it, put arrowhead at both the end points and write the equation on the line x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So this is x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. So this line represents the second equation, this represents the first equation. Both lines intersect at the point 2, 2. We see that with the help of graph, we see that both lines intersect, meets at the point 2, 2. So point of intersection is 2, 2. First component will give the value of x, second component will give the value of y. So what is the answer? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So we will write, since both the lines intersect at 2, 2. Both the lines intersect at 2, 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. This is the answer. So value of x is 2. First component means value of x. Second component value of y. So if two linear equations in two variables are given and we have to solve graphically, firstly we will plot the graph for both the equation on the same sheet and then find their point of intersection. I will take one more question from question number 5. See question number 5th C part from exercise 1b. 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 first equation. 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 second equation. We have to solve it graphically. So I have told you, firstly we will make y as the subject in both the equation. So from first, transpose minus 5y right side. 3x plus 1 is equal to 5y. So what will be y? What will be y? 3x plus 1 upon 5. Transpose minus 5y right side. So 3x plus 1 is equal to 5y. Y is equal to 3x plus 1 upon 5. Make table for x and y. We have to take 3 values of x to find the 3 values of y. So how we can take it? If we take x is equal to minus 2, take x is equal to minus 2. So it will be 3 into minus 2 plus 1 upon 5. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 1 upon 5. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 5. So it will come minus 1. So when we take x is equal to minus 2, y will come minus 1. Next, if we take x is equal to 3, take x is equal to 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 5. So it will be 3 into 3 plus 1 by 5. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10 by 5, 2. So add x is equal to 3, y will be 2. Take one more value of x. Take x is equal to 8. So when we take 8, 3 into 8 plus 1 by 5. 3 is 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 5, 5 5 is 25. So if x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5. So we have 3 points, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 2 and 8, 5. We will plot these 3 points and join it. So minus 2, minus 1. X is minus 2, y is minus 1. This point is minus 2, minus 1. X is 3, y is 2. 1, 2, 3. X is 3 and y is 2. This is 3, 2. X is 8, y is 5. So x is 8. We can 6, 7, 8. Y is 5. So this point is 8, 5. Now we will join these 3 points with the scale. Write the equation of the line. 2x minus y, no, 3x minus 5y. 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the graph of 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, from second, again make y as subject, transpose by this side. So 2x plus 3 is equal to y, means y is equal to 2x plus 3. We will take 3 values of x to find corresponding 3 values of y. So if x is 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, 5. Y is, if x is 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. X is minus 1, so 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. X is equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 3. So we have points 1, 5, minus 1 1 minus minus 2 minus 1. Firstly plot 1 5. X is 1, y is 5. X is 1, y is 5. This one. Minus 1 1. X is minus 1, y is 1. This point is 1 comma minus 1. Third is minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is already plotted here. So we have to join it. Write the equation 2x minus y plus 3. 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this line represents 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And it is the first line, this is second. Both lines intersect here at minus 2 minus 1. So value of x is minus 2, y is minus 1. So we will write here, since both the lines intersect at the point minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, x is minus 2 and y is minus 1. So this is the solution, x is minus 2, y is minus 1. So in this way we can solve the simultaneous linear equations graphically. I will take the last question, question number 6. See question number 6, it is given y is equal to x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2x minus 1 by 4. So we can make it into two equations. Y is equal to x minus 1 by 4. It is equation number 1. And second, y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 4. It is second equation. Y is equal to x minus 1, all are equal. So one time we will take these two together. Y is equal to x minus 1 by 4. Next time y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 4. So we see that in the first and second both equation, y is already given as the subject. Y is already expressed in terms of x. So directly we can take three values of x to find three values of y. So make the table for the first equation. If x is 0, put here if x is 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 by 4. So it will be minus 1 by 4. If x is 1, x is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 upon 4. X is 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by 4. X 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1 by 4. X is 1, 1 minus 1, 0 by 4, 0. X is 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by 4. And from second, y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 4. Again we will take three values of x. Firstly take x 0. So 2 into 0, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1 upon 4. It is written like this, 2x minus 1 by 4. Second equation is y is equal to 2x then minus 1 by 4. So if x is 0, 2 into 0, 0, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Next, so if x is equal to 1, so what we will get? 2 into 1 minus 1 by 4. 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 1, 7 by 4. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 2 is 8 minus 1, 7 by 4. So we will write here 7 by 4. And take another value. X is equal to x is equal to 2, then what will come? 2 into 2 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 4 is 16 minus 1, 15 by 4. So x is equal to 2, it will be 15 by 4. Now we have to plot 3 points here. First one is here 0 minus 1 by 4, 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 1 by 4. Here we have to plot 0 minus 1 by 4, 1 7 by 4 and 2 comma 15 by 4. So x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we will mark 1, 2, 3. This side minus 1, minus 2. On y-axis the values are coming 1 by 4, 7 by 4, 15 by 4 like this. So we will take here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 like this, and here suppose 15 by 4. In this way we have to take, let 1 centimeter or half centimeter 1 by 4, then 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 up to 15 by 4. Similarly downside minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4 like this. So first point is 0 minus 1 by 4. X is 0, y is minus 1 by 4. So it will be the point on y-axis. So this point is 0 minus 1 by 4. Next 1 comma 0. X is 1, y is 0. So this point is 1 0. X is 2, y is 1 by 4. X is 2, y is 1 by 4. So this point is 2 comma 1 by 4. Now we have to join it. And write the equation. Equation is y is equal to x minus 1 by 4. This is the graph of the first equation. Similarly, graph for the second. First point 0 minus 1 by 4. Same point 0 minus 1 by 4. Second point is 1 7 by 4. X is 1, y is 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 will come. This point is 1 comma 7 by 4. X is 2, y 15 by 4. X is 2, so y 15 by 4. This point is 2 comma 15 by 4. Join these points. join these points, and it is the second equation, y is equal to 2x minus 1 by 4. So we have plotted here the graph for both the equation. We see that both intersect at point 0 minus 1 by 4. So we can write both lines meet at the point 0 comma minus 1 by 4. Therefore value of x is 0. First component means x, second component means y. So x is 0 and y is equal to minus 1 by 4. So in this way you can solve graphically the system of simultaneous linear equations. I hope that this method is clear to you. Remaining questions do yourself. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you class.